Hey guys, just wanted to show real quick the ESP8266 interfacing with the ThingSpeak API. If you've been following my channel, you know I've been doing a Arduino BitCoin Ticker project, and recently with this cool ESP8266 chip, I wanted to do a wireless version of it where it was done completely on the ESP8266. So currently I've got it running on a Arduino. It's a Nano in this particular configuration, but I need the Python script to make the request call, and then it's sending it over the serial to the Arduino and then displaying it on the OLED. I want it to be done completely natively on the ESP8266. So recently I took the Wi-Fi client. Here's the Python code that's running on my computer powering it. So I want all of this to be done natively on the ESP8266. So I took the Wi-Fi client sketch example and made it make a request to do the same thing. But the JSON it got back, I was having issues parsing the JSON. Couldn't find a good JSON parser, so if you know of one, let me know, that works with the ESP8266 on the Arduino IDE. But so what I've decided to do is make ThingSpeak handle the JSON parsing, and then just make a get request to ThingSpeak for this data here that I want. So that's kind of the idea behind this. So this right here is the JSON that comes back from the Coindesk API, and it's the actual thing we want is the rate there. That's the current rate. So there it's 245 and some change, some horribly low number. I don't know, but we want to parse it, and we're going to use the JavaScript dot notation to get it. ThingSpeak's cool and lets us use that, so it'll be bpi.usd.rate. In this case, we could do .code, .description, .rate underscore float, but we want just the rate there. So in ThingSpeak, under the parse string, we put bpi.usd.rate, and that'll get us. And then we set our set it to be a GET request, and also tell it the type will be JSON. So pretty much, other than putting in the URL for the actual API to get the thing, that's pretty much all the setup you have to do in ThingSpeak. So very straightforward. That's the HTTP thing app. So you just set up one of those, set a GET request, and put in your parse string, and it gives you a URL to follow. You follow that URL, and it'll give you your what we set out there to parse, which in this case is the number, the actual current rate. So it does come back with the header as well. So I've just set up a crude little filtering to filter out and find what we're looking for. I've also taken out of the header that comes back the date and the time. So very crude. I'll go and recode this. It definitely looks like it was coded by a baboon. I apologize for that, so I won't post the code yet until I make it a little bit more elegant. So we're going to flash. Here I'm actually flashing the ESP8266 with the sketch, and once it has the sketch flashed on there, it should make the request to the ThingSpeak API, and should filter out our date and our time from the header as well as the actual rate. So we'll do our Control M here to get our serial monitor going. Once it's going there, it should connect to our AP, and once it's connected, it should make that request to ThingSpeak, and there you go. There's our parse data displayed, the date, the time, and the current Bitcoin. So just wanted to show that proof of concept. The next thing I would like to do, I'm still waiting on an I2C OLED. It's on the slow boat from China, so as soon as that gets here, that'll be the final component to making the wireless BitCoin ticker a reality. So I did today load up the sketch with one of the OLED libraries, and didn't have a problem with it, so hopefully everything goes good, and I'll be able to hopefully fit it all in an Altoids tin. So hopefully it'll just be a battery and the OLED and the ESP8266 and a voltage regulator, and that should be the whole thing. So keep posted. I'll try to update the code and post it when I get it a little bit more elegant looking, and until next time, hack the planet. Thanks for watching.